Hey guys, Jeremy from HTL. We're working on the AlienCell right now, and you know, the very first thing that I'm doing, well, kind of the very first thing that I'm doing with it, other than I tried to burn a couple of things and it didn't work, but I figured some stuff out. We're in Lightburn with it. Um, Let me show you this. So there's my full extension slide, and it's out. I've got a 3/4 board, thanks to Dwayne. It tremendously fixed the wobble out there, extended that far. We've already done a test burn on. We put a piece of scrap plywood on top of the box that we're doing, and did a test burn, and there was no wobble marks. There was no deformation or anything in it. So we've got it. There's the box that we're going to do. It's inside. I don't know if you can see to the right side of the box right there. There's the plywood. So I've got a like a picture frame in there screwed to my boards, that you can see the 2x4s that are coming out right there that the slide's attached to. We squared everything away, and it slides back and forth perfect. It holds everything up. And now I have this. This is my son's cajon drum, his drum box. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a piece of artwork on the side of this. Basically, it's a guinea pig. We've just refinished it. He sanded it down, got a couple coats of clear on it, light clear satin, like spray bomb finish. So anyways, this is what we're putting on the box. And let's go ahead and get rid of that. We're going to home. It's homey. Okay. All right, now we're going to put it over there. So basically, I just I went over here and I picked this and I had it go to a spot over here. So now we're in macros. I'm going to have it focus. I just heard the click. Okay. Now it's ready to go. All right. Just make sure that's collected. Now I have to go over here and I have to shut the lid. So be right there. We're going to hit start. 560 speed and 48 power. And let's, I think that's too much power. I'm going to back that down to 38. I got it at 0.085, and let's hit the go button. All right, let's go. Here we go.
On the third day, the mountain shook, lightning split the sky. A trumpet cried out, and the earth held its breath. From the line of Judah, rising from the dust, a promise like a fire no grave could ever crush. The root of David, the branch of endless flame. Before the word was spoken, he already bore the name. He crouches like a lion with power in his bones. branch from Jesse, quiet and true, spirit of wisdom resting on you. Not by the sight, not by the sight, not by the sound, not by the sound, but truth and justice pouring down. A father's promise, a kingdom that stands, carved into time by scarred hands. Correction and mercy, both in your reign. A love that refines like fire through pain. We will be changed. We will arise, caught in the glory before our eyes. From dust to forever, from sleep to awake. At the sound of the trumpet, the heavens will break. The Lion of Judah, love and power, faithful and present in every hour. The Lion of Judah, King and light, calling his people into new life. Faithful and true, we will stand. Love and power in his hand. He shall reign forever and ever. The Lion has overcome.
All right, there's the short run. And there's hardly any movement. So far, it's 18 minutes. Yeah, it's done. 18 minutes and 10 seconds. Now it's going to go to the home position. I'm going to go over there and open it up for you. Looks pretty good to me. I think we'll throw a little bit of clear over top of it, and we're going to call that one good. I'm going to do some more testing because, to be honest with you, on camera, it looks a little darker than it is in real life. But I'm going to get it up and set it up and see what it looks like upright. So hold on, just in case anybody is interested. The box is 21 inches tall, so it's widthways in the laser is 21. It is 13 up this way and 15 wide from front to back. So, yeah, just figure out what you need to get it up high enough, and then I have that jack, and comes up. Anywho, yeah, I think it did a really good job. I'm glad I didn't do any more power, because I think it would have just dug it in too deep. But anyways, yeah, we're going to clear coat it, and then we're going to call it a win. So, again, guys, look, it was an experiment. I had no idea what I was getting myself into. I had an idea. I went for it just so I could put bigger stuff underneath it and do things. All right, so on the machine itself, if you go into the control panel and you open up function, there's a space down there for drawer detection. You can turn that off so that you're able to remove the drawer and do that kind of stuff. You see videos of people doing hacks and stuff like that. Anyways, I just wanted to point that part of that out because there's, one of the features in their onboard computer, they have a drawer detection. All right, guys, hey, listen, one more shot at what I've got set up here. Just an experiment. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I like having fun when I'm doing stuff, and I'm hoping the production value that I did with this, with the 3 different camera angles. I hope you liked that. I hope it helped you see what I'm doing better, and just how I'm using my machine. So maybe it will inspire you to do your own thing. All right. Links in the description for the slides, for the full extension slides, and a couple of my other video. I'll put my build video link in there where I built this thing. So it's a little crazy because I missed some stuff. But anyway, it is what it is. I am who I am. I'm never going to change. I'm going to try to get better. I guess I will try to change. I don't know. See you in the next one.